Hello everyone, welcome back to my series Drive Safe with Keshav, and I'm going to talk about something today that you must have seen many times. Often a person is behind someone else and the person who is driving in front suddenly brakes and the person behind them crashes into them. So how do you avoid this mistake and how do you identify what is the cause of this? I'm going to talk about this today. I'm going to tell you about two simple rules which will help you to avoid crashing into someone else even if the other person makes a sudden stop. The first rule that I'm going to talk about is the 2-second rule. If you're on a highway or a road with very high speed vehicles, then what you should do is focus on an object. Do not take your eyes off the road for very long, but focus on an object which the car in front of you passes. Then count using the words 1001 and 1002. For example, if the vehicle in front of you passes by a tree and you reach the tree before you finish counting 1001 and 1002, that is 2 seconds, then you're going too fast. Slow down. And if you can easily count those 2 seconds, then you're fine. This rule is applicable almost everywhere, but in some situations, such as in busy areas such as cities, you may not be able to apply this rule. In these cases, you can apply the second rule. What you need to do is make sure that you can look at the wheels of the vehicle in front of you. If you can see the wheels of the vehicle with no problem, then the distance is fine. But if you are not able to see the wheel, then it means that you're driving too close. So back up. Thank you everyone. That's all for today. This is going to be a short video, but more are coming soon. Like and subscribe. Goodbye.